you are given point A and B and you are required to find the perpendicular bisector of AB, since perpendicular bisector is a straight line, therefore you need gradient and also a point. So the point that you need to find would be the midpoint of AB, since it's a perpendicular bisector of AB, and the gradient of the perpendicular bisector, which would be perpendicular to the line AB. So the midpoint of AB, using the midpoint formula, would be 3, -2, and the gradient of AB, because we need to find the gradient of the perpendicular bisector, so therefore example, since point A and B is drawn as such, for example, yeah, so the perpendicular bisector would cut AB into exactly half. Right? So we have the midpoint. M represents the midpoint, and we need to find the gradient of the perpendicular bisector. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So in this case, we find gradient of AB, and using the rule of perpendicular line, M1, M2 equals to -1. So we can find the gradient of the perpendicular bisector, which is -1 divided by -5/2. It will be -1 multiplied by -2/5. This will result in the perpendicular bisector as 2/5. Okay, using the perpendicular gradient calculation formula. And finally, you can use the approach by y minus y1 equals to gradient m times x minus x1. And this will result in your perpendicular bisector equation as y equals to 2/5x minus 16/5.